So here is a new interesting feature from YouTube Studio app, and I think it can be really amazing. So now if you go to Analytics tab in your bottom, in the top part you now have Overview, but to the left of Overview there is a Research tab. Experimental insights from US viewers. So what does it mean? This is some research insights. And it says this feature is slowly rolling out to more channels over the next few weeks. So yeah, you can open the YouTube Studio app, make sure to update it. From the bottom menu, tap Analytics, from the top menu, tap Research. And then yeah, you can just see viewer activity related to that topic, your audience activity, how popular is this topic within your audience. Searched by YouTube viewers shows popular searches made by viewers across YouTube for the topic, watched by YouTube viewers, related topics. It's only, this insights are limited to activity from US viewers, so it can show you the top searches based on your audience. You can discover more topics, you can see recent videos related to it, and you can see content gaps. A content gap happens when viewers can't find enough quality search results on YouTube for a specific search. So for example, a content gap can happen when viewers can't find any results for their searches, viewers can find an exact match, viewers can find relevant videos. For example, content is too old or low quality. So anyhow, like this is a super powerful feature, especially for YouTube SEO, and it's provided directly by Google, by YouTube, meaning it's not like some third-party tool like Vidiq or vidIQ or TubeBuddy, where you're not exactly sure about the keyword numbers. Are these the exact keywords? Are these the right keywords? Here you just been provided it by YouTube, which is super powerful. So for example, here you can just enter any term, like for example, let's just search like gas app, and it functions basically as a keyword research tool. So here you can see like content gaps, which I just described, meaning this is a nice keyword to create content around because there is not enough good content around it or just low quality content. Then you can see most popular keywords around it, and yeah, like this can be topics for your videos. And basically you don't need to to use some additional keyword tools for that, like Ahrefs or I don't know, like some SEO tools, so TubeBuddy, vidIQ. You just now have it in YouTube. Then also you can see some related videos for these topics, and then you can see related topics, and then you can just for example, how to use Dawn AI avatar app. You can see content gaps, you can see most popular, you can see watch by YouTube, you can see most popular videos in this category. So yeah, it's kind of pretty cool. You can see related topics as well. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then you can just save it. You will see similar topics on your feed. So now you just see that it's being saved, and then it just appears in your bookmarks section. It's kind of pretty cool. Then you can discover more topics like based on your audience and searches. Recent videos related to the App Store. Recent videos related to, like, for example, that's just all based on the content of your channel. I have a tech channel, so that's what I see here. Of course, you can have any other. So yeah, something around it. I think it's like super powerful feature actually. So make sure to use it. You can unlock so many new keywords and all of that without using some third-party additional keywords tools, which can sometimes provide not really correct data. So in my experience, a lot of these like third-party SEO tools, including vidIQ or TubeBuddy or something like that, they will just give you some ideas and some general trend, but very often they can be wrong because, like, of course, like YouTube or Google, it's not providing the full data to them, and it's super hard to get the exact data. But now you just have it for yourself. However, I need to say that this tool is also limited a bit, so it also will just give you some like trends and not the exact keywords somehow. Like, so you can see some directions and then you can just explore, create some videos, see what performs better, and then create more, and then do it again. So yeah, that's what you can do basically. Uh, yeah, so definitely give it a try. I don't know if it's been released to all creators, but make sure to update your YouTube Studio app, log in with your YouTube Creator brand account, uh, and then yeah, make sure that you try it out, this research tool. Because sometimes you are aiming to go viral, like on YouTube, to create some viral short or get recommended by YouTube algorithm. Sometimes for some topics you can create content which is just kind of evergreen. So the content, you know, which people are searching for years, like, and it can be just be found by YouTube people who searching on YouTube, because a lot of teenagers are actually using YouTube and TikTok as their, like, you know, Google search destinations. So that can be a really helpful tool for this case. Great tool for YouTube SEO. And yeah, it's provided for you for free. You don't need to upgrade or something like that. So check it out, and thank you for watching.